Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our, let me get my microphone on here. Welcome to our one-box break tonight of 2012-13 Panini basketball. All cards will ship, and they should go out in the next 1 or 2 days. This is 24 packs, 10 cards per pack. And they're saying here 2 autograph cards per box. This has a lot of other inserts and stuff in it, rookies. So good luck to everyone. And we'll get going. Box is empty. We've got our usual Kobe pack for our Lakers auction winner. Open that first, see who we got. Good luck to everyone. Kobe, Mr. Kobe, 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 and Kobe. See if we can get this in decent order here. Anthony Morrow. Grievous Vasquez. Carlos Boozer. Kyle Lowry. Spirit of the Game. Good old Allen Iverson. Willis Reed. Steve Novak. Nando De Cola. Myers Leonard. And Kevin Murphy. Eric Bledsoe. Aaron Aflalo. James Harden. Spirit of the Game. Darren Williams. Louis Scola. Trevor Ariza. Mo Williams. Reggie Jackson. Kim English. Jan Vesely. This will also be recorded for YouTube and will be up later tonight. And our YouTube channel name is the same as our website name there, livepackbreaks.com. That'll take you right there if you do a search on YouTube. That was Channing Frye, Jose Calderon, DeMar DeRozan. Nice looking. All Panini, Oscar Robertson. Connie Hawkins, Rajon Rondo, Pete Maravich, Brandon Knight, Harrison Barnes, and Jeremy Lamb. Devin Harris, ANDREI, KIRILENKO, Gordon Hayward. All Panini, Sergei Ibaka of the Thunder, Martell Webster, Wesley Matthews, Nikola Pekovic, Ian Johnson, Bismarck Biyombo, and Miles Plumlee. Amar Stoudemire, Ersan Ilyasova, Blake Griffin, matching numbers, Bosch and Stoudemire, filler, Shannon Brown, Adrian Dantley, Paul Gasol, Anthony Davis, Luke Zeller, and Kent Bazemore, or Bazemore, I'm not sure. David West, Kyle Culver, Amika Okafor, Steve Kerr, Larry Bird, Russell Westbrook, Luke, Isaiah Thomas, Bernard James, and Mike Scott. Brooke Lopez, Joakim Noah, Danny Granger. Matching numbers, Beal and Wade. Filler, James Worthy, Rodney Stuckey, Landry Fields, Pablo Prigioni, Evan Fournier, Andre Drummond. Alonzo G, Jameer Nelson, Jerome Butler, and a Bob Cousy, Heroes of the Hall, or the Celtics. Nice looking card, not numbered. Tony Parker, Mike Dunleavy, Chris Webber, Josh Harrelson, Eton Moore, and Alex Burks. Kevin Durant, Dwight Howard, Anton Jameson, Sergei Ibaka. That looks like it's a gold. Gold down there in the corners. The others here are silver. Tayshaun Prince, Michael Beasley, Richard Jefferson, Jay Crowder, Bradley Beal, Royce White. Jonas JEREBKO, DeJuan Blair, Al Jefferson, Spencer Hawes, Paul Millsap, Oscar Robertson, Meta World Peace, Tristan Thompson, Nolan Smith, and Kemba Walker. Greg Monroe, Kevin Garnett, Marco Benelli, Bob Pettit, Heroes of the Hall, Wes Unseld, Steve Nash, Maurice Spites, Clay Thompson, Jonas Valanciunas, Draymond Green. Still looking for our first hit here. Chris Bosh, J.R. Smith, Deron Williams, Spirit of the Game, Jeremy Lin, the Rockets, and a filler. Ray Allen, Steve Kerr, Spencer Hawes, Damon Lillard, Tyler Honeycutt, Marquise Teagues. ANDREI Bagnani, Goran Dragic, Brandon Roy. Here we go. First hit, Nikolai Vucevic. Sticker auto or the Magic. Not numbered. Put that over there. Wayne Ellington, Nikolai Batten, George Meekin, Mirza Teletovic, Lance Thomas, Brian Roberts. Andre Blatch, Gerald Wallace, Brandon Bass, Javal McGee, Marcus Camby, Tyrus Thomas, Nate Thurman, Malik Wayans, Nikola Vucevic, Kawhi Leonard. Eric Boehner, John Salmons, David Lee, Spirit of the Game, Roy Hibbert, Pacers. Filler, Zach Randolph, Patrick Patterson, Karl Malone, Gustav Young, Tayshaun Taylor, Alexei Shved, Chris Humphreys, Elton Brand, Anthony Randolph, Marcus Canby, Rudy Gay. Luis Williams, Tony Allen, John Mueller, Deron Lamb, and Will Barton. Got about 8 packs left. About 2/3 of the way through our box. Corey Brewer, Eric Gordon, Ben Gordon. Matching numbers, Dragic and Derek Rose. Sergei Ibaka, Luol Deng, Ty Lawson. Greg Stemsma, Tyler Zeller, Marshawn Brooks. Jason Kidd, Chauncey Billups, Josh Martin, Ray Allen. Here's Monta Ellis, David Robinson, Ramon Sessions, John Jenkins, Dion Waiters, Austin Rivers. Whoops. DeMarcus Cousins, Anderson Varaja, Evan Turner, Moses Malone, Heroes of the Hall. Filler, Shaq, Sean Marion, Marcin Gortat, Quincy Acey, Chris Singleton, and Ben Hansbrough. Boris Diaw, Jason Thompson, Kyle Lowry, and our second hit, Kenneth Faried, Denver Nuggets, autograph on sticker, and not numbered. Paul Pierce, Mark Jackson, Ryan Anderson, Marcus Morris, Jimmer Fredette, and Darius Johnson Odom. Darren Collison, there's Kobe, Dwayne Wade, Nate Thurman, LeBron James, Tim Duncan, Mike Conley, Chandler Parsons, Terrence Ross, and Derek Williams. Hedo Turkoglu, Carmelo Anthony, John Wall, Matching numbers, Russell Westbrook, Jeff Teague. Mike Miller, Bill Laimbeer, Paul George, Kyrie Irving, Arnett Moultrie, Perry Jones. DeAndre Jordan, Al Horford, Andrew Bogut, Tyrus Thomas. I believe that's a gold tint down there in the ears. Steve Blake, Marvin Williams, Wilson Chandler, Markieff Morris, Jimmy Butler, and Darius Morris. And our last pack of the night. Grant Hill, Carl Landry, Joe Johnson, Patrick Ewing, Heroes of the Hall, Filler, O.J. Mayo, Joe Dumars, Roy Hibbert, Robert Sacre, Daquan Jones, and Jared Cunningham. Okay, that does it for our break tonight of 2012 Panini Basketball. Just want to mention I will be putting up the new marquee, Panini Marquee Basketball, which is very nice, has laser cut rookies in it. That'll be going up hopefully tonight or tomorrow, hopefully tonight on eBay, so you can check out our eBay auctions at livepackbreaks.com and go to the pack break box break link on the top menu and it'll take you right there. Thanks again for stopping by, and I do appreciate your bids. Take care, and we'll see you Wednesday night. Good night.